How to overclock your gaming PC after building it. Are you ready to take your gaming experience to the next level? Overclocking your gaming PC can boost performance, making your games run smoother and faster. Let's break down how to safely overclock your system after building it. First, ensure your PC is fully assembled and equipped with adequate cooling solutions. A good CPU cooler and proper airflow in your case are essential, as overclocking generates more heat. Next, update your motherboard's basic input-output system to the latest version. This update often includes stability improvements and new overclocking features. Once that's done, install your operating system and essential monitoring software like HWinfo, CoreTemp, Prime95, or OCCT. These tools will help you monitor temperatures and test stability. Now, let's start with the CPU overclocking. Access your basic input-output system by pressing the designated key, usually Delete or F2, during boot up. If your basic input-output system opens in a simplified mode, switch to advanced mode. Begin by gradually increasing the CPU core multiplier. This multiplier controls the CPU frequency. For example, if your base clock is 100 MHz and you set a multiplier of 42, your CPU will run at 4.2 GHz. Make sure to set all CPU cores to the same multiplier for consistent performance. Next, adjust the CPU core voltage carefully. Increasing voltage can help maintain stability at higher frequencies, but it also raises temperatures and power consumption. After making changes, save your basic input-output system profile so you can revert if necessary. After adjusting the CPU settings, boot into your operating system and run stress testing programs like Prime95 or OCCT. Monitor your CPU temperatures using HWinfo or CoreTemp. Ideally, keep CPU temperatures below 85 degrees Celsius under load to prevent damage. If your system is unstable, reduce the multiplier or increase the voltage slightly. If temperatures are too high, consider improving your cooling solution or dialing back your overclock settings. Next, let's move on to overclocking your random access memory. In your basic input-output system, enable the extreme memory profile setting to run your random access memory at its rated speed. This speed is often higher than the default setting. For most users, enabling this profile is sufficient and safer than manual adjustments. After making changes, test for stability. Now, let's talk about the graphics processing unit. Most modern graphics processing units automatically boost their clock speeds based on workload and temperature. For manual overclocking, use software tools like MSI Afterburner or GPU Tuner. These tools allow you to increase core clock and memory speeds. After making adjustments, test the stability of your graphics processing unit with benchmarks like 3D Mark and monitor temperatures closely. Ensure your graphics processing unit cooling is adequate to handle the increased heat. For those who prefer a simpler approach, some CPUs and motherboards support software like Intel Extreme Tuning Utility or AMD Ryzen Master. These tools allow you to overclock within your operating system, providing user-friendly interfaces for adjustments and stability testing without rebooting. Remember to make small incremental changes rather than large jumps. After each adjustment, test for stability and monitor temperatures. Keep track of settings that work well by saving profiles in your basic input-output system or software. Finally, after overclocking, maintain your system regularly. Monitor stability during gaming sessions and clean dust from cooling components to ensure proper airflow. If you experience crashes or overheating, be ready to dial back your overclock settings. By following these steps, you can safely overclock your gaming PC after building it, leading to improved gaming performance while keeping your system stable and reliable.